The shortest form of trading is scalping, where you are buying huge quantities for merely few minutes. And then it goes to intraday trading, buying and selling in a single day. Then there is a swing trading, like a stock moves in an uptrend for higher high and higher low formation. So you are capturing only one swing of that journey. Then you come to positional trading, which is generally a little long term till the trend is intact. For instance, अगर आप लॉरेस लैब्स का चार्ट देखेंगे, 80 or 90 levels पर first breakout आया, then it went till 600 700 levels. So that's positional trading. जब तक trend reversal नहीं आता है, till then you are sitting in a stock. And similarly, Balaji Amin started from, I think, around 800 850 levels, went till 5,000 rupees. So if someone is a working professional, so scalping is obviously a big no, intraday a big no, swing trading still can manage, but I think he or she will be more comfortable in positional trading, जहाँ पर weekends पर आप weekly basis पर closing में charts देखेंगे on your weekends, and then you just have to execute your orders in the market, and then you do not have to do nothing. I mean, you don't have to do anything based on daily time frame, because the moment you go on daily time frame, the noise will increase. Monday to Friday you will be working, so you will be squaring off your trades considering that noise level. So वीकली चार्ट्स आप देखेंगे, वीकली चार्ट्स के बेसिस पे आप उस पोजीशन को होल्ड करके रखेंगे जब तक वो आपको एग्जिट सिग्नल ना दे. और इस तरह से वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल कैन ऑल्सो start their trading journey in the market. Basically, you have to get out at some point of time. And for positional trading, it is more advantageous, because the lower time frame you go, the more is the noise. आप unnecessary trading करते हैं, over churning होता है, जिस वजह से you are not able to beat the nifty. Whereas positional traders are at least able to beat the nifty index if they are selecting the right stocks and holding on to them for at least 3 to 6 months. So, let us say, I mean, are you suggesting that, let's say, even if somebody has full time, like he wants to be a full time trader, but if he's new to trading and he has finished his basics, still you are suggesting he should not start with intraday because of the noise and the risk involved. Risk involved, and intraday also needs your faster execution. So if someone is a beginner, he should start with either swing trading or positional trading with proper risk management. Do not start with intraday trading, because intraday is like you are flying an airplane. You don't even know how to control it while it is in the air, mid-air. So that's what I'm saying. Intraday is highly risky for a beginner because it demands faster execution. The brokerage cost will kill you. The FTT will kill you. So these are the things involved. First, you cover your foundations with a much lesser noise version. That is your swing trading or positional trading with proper risk management. Got it, got it, got it. So, listeners, as we are progressing, what we will do is I have certain questions. I will finish the question. Then we have gone through all the questions which you have posted on Twitter, and we have tried to categorize all the questions, put it in an organized manner, and we'll go through all the questions, and then we will open the floor for more questions, so that if any of you have more questions, we will ask. So, next question, Himanshu, in terms of your learning, what has been, like, if you want, you can say, what are your top 3 learnings in your last many years of your stock trading journey? What are the top 3 learnings? The main learning is the proper position sizing, because if you are holding a stock in a portfolio, let's say your portfolio is 10 lakh, if you are holding a stock for 10,000 rupees and it becomes a 10 bagger, I mean, आप खुश हो गए या will you feel sad about it, because it became 10 times your 1% position. If it becomes 10 times, then you generate only 9% return on your total portfolio. So if that position would have been 10% of your total portfolio, it moved up 10x. You got a right stock and your portfolio moved up by 9x. So 10% position moved up by 10x, you generate 90% return on your portfolio. So your position sizing is really very important. And second thing is the risk management. Most of the people earlier also, I also used to do the same thing. I was looking for stocks near 52-week lows. So that is the problem there. They are sitting near the lows for a reason. I am not denying that some people also go there to look for the bargain hunting or the bottom fishing.
I'm not denying that. But the probability of success is very low. You need to have much higher command on fundamentals to understand the business in detail, because price is there for a reason. So look for the stocks near to their highs, and preferably those stocks which are on, on to their all-time highs, and I mean their 52-week highs also their all-time high. And the biggest learning was the risk management. Earlier I was very hesitant to cut my losses, but now the moment I see a loss going up 0.5 to 0.6% of total portfolio, I cut that loss immediately. I sit on cash, maybe I look for another opportunity, but I will not let that loss run deeper. So position sizing, risk management, and looking for the proper stock selection, these are the three key learnings which are needed to generate stupendous return in your portfolio.
And I think this is important because many of us we think always about the accuracy, but accuracy is just one part, in the system. And as you said, the risk reward and the position size, these two are important. So what makes ultimately you make it's a combination of position sizing and risk management.
करेक्ट, बिकॉज आपका अगर मतलब पोर्टफोलियो में लेट से आप बहुत प्रैक्टिस आपको हो गई है चार्ट पर, यू कैन कैच अ 10% स्विंग। सो 10% स्विंग अगर आपका 10 to 15% का पोजीशन है, वो अगर अगर वो 10% ऊपर चलता है तो आपका पूरा पोर्टफोलियो 1.5% ऊपर जाता है। तो 2% पोर्टफोलियो अगर आप 12 टाइम्स ऊपर लेके जाते हैं, दैट इज 26.8% रिटर्न। मोस्ट पीपल थिंक इट इज 24%। सो 2% जनरेटेड एवरी मंथ इज 26.8%। सो ये स्मॉल स्मॉल कंपाउंडिंग आपको एक लॉन्ग रूट पर बहुत इम्पैक्ट करेगी। So that is why I'm saying proper position sizing is very important in your in trading or even in your investment journey.
So given now we are getting a flavor of what kind of trader you are, and my interpretation is you are more on the swing side who holds his position. So like when you look for the kind of system you build or process you follow, what is the kind of accuracy you look for? What is the kind of risk reward you look for making a decent trader?
Basically, I have a stock selection criteria. If stock is matching my criteria, I get into it, but the stop loss is never 7 to 10% more than my buy price. So, like I bought a share at 100, so my stop loss won't be less than 93 or 92. That doesn't mean that I am buying at a random level. So I have a proper fixed criteria. The stock should fulfill that criteria. The price should squeeze. The volume should squeeze. The stock should be in an uptrend above all key moving averages. That's what I'm looking, proper base formation. And market is also in a healthy state. So when these conditions are fulfilled, then I take my entry with at least 10 to 12% position. Initially, I never go in, I mean, below 5%. I generally start from 6 to 7% position. Sometimes, because I'm focusing full time on the screen, I can go up to 15 to 20% also. And if that stock makes a move of 10%, I generate 2% of my portfolio. But risk is always defined in terms of, I mean, half 0.5 to 1% of my total portfolio, but sometimes the risk may become bigger because the position sizing is huge.
And what has been your three big mistakes in the market, right? Which was your learning, like this is what you usually do for yourself, right?
Correct. Like I focused on stories, like most of the fundamental analysts also have